Okay guys, so this is a quick video to show you how you can enter the parameters of the display of the E26 from ENGWE. So now, first of all, when you receive the bike, the throttle is not working, it's deactivated. Okay, I will show you how you can activate. So you turn the throttle, right? You turn it, okay? Then you press both brakes just to be sure you are pressing the good one, and then you will turn on the bike with the push button here. We will have an error 25 that will come, and I used to stay like for 10-15 seconds just to be sure, like this, and then I will release. Now I will put pass number 1 or pass number 2 as you want, and if I turn here, you will see that okay, so it's working just fine. So you turn the throttle, you press both brakes, you press on like this, you stay in the same position, okay, you don't release anything, and you will have the error 25 coming. You stay for 10 seconds just to be sure, and then you release everything, and that's it. This is how you activate or deactivate your throttle. Now let's enter the parameters. I will show you. So to enter the parameters is the press button plus and minus at the same time. So we have the 0-1 parameters. 0-1 is if you want to change, you just have to press the upper button right here on the side like this, and then with the plus and minus you just change everything. So first one, if you want to have miles or kilometers, me I'm using kilometers because I am in Europe, okay, and then when you're done you press the upper lateral button, okay. Now if you want to go to the next parameters, press this, and we're on the parameters number 2. This is the voltage. You don't change because the battery is a 48 volt, so we don't change that. Parameters number 3, it's how many assistants you want. So this one is going to 0 to 5. If you want to change, same lateral up button here, and then we can change it 1 to 5, 0 to 5, 0 to 7, 1 to 7, 1 to 9, and me I will do 0 to 9. This is a good thing. And then you can modify after. When you're done, you press the upper button and you have another menu coming. So this is for the assistance 1, how many percentage you want. 25%, that's good, okay. Then you press the upper button. Number 2, I want like a 35%. Number 3, I want like 45% maybe. This one 55%. This one maybe 65%, that's cool. 6, 75%. Here, this one will be like 85%. The 8 will be 90%, so it will not like maybe 95%, and this one will be like 99%, not 100%. Or do whatever you want, but this is how I will set it. When you're done, press plus button and we enter the parameters number 4. This one is the diameter of the wheel. You don't change it because it's well said by ENGWE. Parameters number 5, it is I don't remember well, but you don't change this one. I think it's the magnet or something like that, but this is you don't change it. Parameters number 6, this is what you like. It is the speed limit. So me, it's set to maximum, right? You can set it to the speed you want. If you want to be according to the law, you have to set it to 25%. Parameters number 7, it is the amp of the controller, right? So this is the max energy you want it from the controller to deliver, right? So stock it is 20, and I suggest you let it this way. If you set it to upper, it will consume more energy and you will have less battery. Parameters 8 is if you want the motor to run forward or backward. So I suggest you stay like this, because you will be surprised if you put it backward. This one, number 9, it's if you want I guess, if I remember well, if you want the throttle to be according to the pass level or not. So for example, me, I will say yes. So for example, I won't go, I will say no, sorry. I will say no. So my throttle doesn't follow the if I think is this is, yeah, if I want the throttle to follow the pass assistance, I think it is that, because I don't find a lot of information about it, but I think this is right. Parameters number 10, if you want the password, so I suggest you let it this way. And the parameters 11, it's how many times do you want the display to turn off. So let it to 10 minutes, that's fine. And then if you press plus, you're going back to parameters number 1. So just to be clear, I suggest you can modify, what you can modify is parameter number 1, of course. Parameters number 2, you don't touch. Parameters number 3, this is where you can personalize it, and this is a very good setting. Number 4, you don't touch. Number 5, you don't touch. Number 6, you can touch, and you put the speed limit of your need. Parameters number 7, I suggest you put it, let it this way. Number 8, you don't touch. 9, you don't touch as well. 10, you don't touch. And 11, you can modify it if you want the display to turn off earlier than 10 minutes. That's it. This is the English version of the how you can enter the parameters and change the parameters of your ENGWE E26. So just to go out, you just press the on-off button, and then you turn on again, and you will see I can go up to 9, so everything is registered. Yeah, that's it. I hope you will enjoy your future ride with this magnificent bike. Take care, drive safe, and see you on the next one. Consider liking and subscribing if you like what you saw. Cheers, guys.